Hello, welcome to TechSynth. In this session, we will cover further values from RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I'm taking the program in edit mode. And here you can see that we have declared three variables. To know about the data type and length of these variables, you can refer the IBM official website. And once variable declaration is done, then you can directly use RTVSYSVAL, then press F4. And here we are supposed to pass two parameters. First is the value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where you want to hold the output. Now if you want to know all possible values that we can retrieve from the sysval command, then press F1. So once you press F1, it will open a help screen for you where you will find the description of all values. In short, you can say that this is a help window where you will find the a description of all possible values that we can retrieve using the RTVSYSVAL command. Okay, so from here you will get the you can get the information, and then you can use those information in your program to retrieve the values. So these are the values that we have already covered in previous sessions. So I'm directly taking you to that value that we are going to discuss today. So let me take you to that particular value. So yes, we are going to discuss this one, QSTRPRTWTR, which means start print writers at initial program load, means IPL. This system value is set by the user by the system at the time of IPL, or is set by the user on the IPL option display. This system value cannot be changed using the change system values CHG sysval command. What are the possible outcome for this? 0 means print writers were not started, and 1 means print writers were started. Second values are QSTRUPPGM, which means start a program name from restart job in the controlling subsystem. Both the object name and library name can be specified. Changes made to the system value take effect at the next IPL. Now we will see the third value. Third value is QSTSMSG, indicates whether status messages are shown. Changes made to the system value take effect at the next time a user signs on to the system. Possible values star normal and star none. Star normal means status message will be shown. Star none means status message will not be shown. Okay, so we got the information. Now we will simply use that value name here along with the variable where we want to hold the output, and then you can run the three command. So similarly, so we got the three values. Now we will print it. So for printing you can use sndpgmmsg command. So just write sndpgmmsg, then press F4, and here you can pass your variable, so it will print the value for you. If the variable is of decimal type, you can convert it to character, but right now we are having three variables and all of these are of character type, so we can pass it directly. So let's try to compile it and see the output. Compiled successfully. Now calling. First output is 1, second is QSTRUP400 QGPL, and third one is star normal. So this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSynth.